Jai Hind all of you. Last few lecture we have discussed about the most important topic in all competitive exam like Indian Constitution and Indian polity. In this topic we have discussed about the uh, history of Indian Constitution, 1717 Regulating Act to Cabinet Mission, and also we have discussed about the different kinds of committees like drafting committee, advice committee, making duration of Indian Constitution, sources of Indian Constitution, and also we have discussed about the amendment of Indian Constitution. And most important topic in this unit like amendment of Indian Constitution and feature of Indian Constitution. And also we have focused on the schedules, parts, and the article of Indian Constitution. And second one, we have discussed about Indian polity. In this topic, we have discussed about parliament, like House of People, that's mean the Lok Sabha, permanent house, that's mean the Rajya Sabha, executives like president, vice president, prime minister, and also we have focused on the judiciary system of India, Supreme Court, High Court, and last one we have discussed about the state assembly like legislative assembly, legislative council, executives in the state, chief minister, governor. In all topic, the articles of Indian Constitution is the most important parts. Our student, 11th class students, explain the all articles. Now, uh, article first to 5 explain the Rushi. Okay.
Join everyone, I am Article 1 to 5 State and Union Territories. There are 28 state and 8 union territories. All the states are divided by language basis. First state establishes Andhra Pradesh on 1 November 1956. Language of Andhra Pradesh is Telugu and all states and union territories controlled by central government. Thank you.
Hi, I am Article Citizenship. My article is start from 6 to 11. I am a second part of Indian Constitution. The Constitution of India provide the single citizenship for citizen. There is no separated citizenship for state. My article is adopted from the British Constitution. A person who can acquire the citizenship in India 5 year. My article 11 is provide the Parliament of regulated to the citizenship right to citizenship of law.
Hi, my article, I am Fundamental Rights. My article starts from 12 to 35. I was adopted from the USA Constitution and the third part of Indian Constitution. There are different types of fundamental rights, which are as follows. First, right to equality. Second, right to freedom. Third, right against exploitation. Fourth, right right to freedom of religion. Fifth, cultural and educational rights. Sixth, right to constitutional remedies.
Hello, myself Article 36 to 51, which are related with DPSP, Directive Principle of State Policy. The DPSP are the guidelines of state provided by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in the Constitution. There is no specific list of some DPSP, but on the basis of the problems of the state or executive or legislative of state and administrative affairs, they are been implemented. For example, the Planning Commission or the 5-year plans, which are the helpful in development of the states, they are been implemented. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am the Article 240. This article is about the High Court. It was established on the 1862 in Calcutta and 1866 to Allahabad Place. There are the 7 joint of the High Court found in the generally capital cities. President appointment of the High Court. President appointment of the High Court. Thank you.
Hi, myself Article 75. My article as per Prime Minister. I am the Prime Minister is the real head of central government. The first Prime Minister is appointed by Governor General after independence. Prime Minister is ex officio chairperson of Niti Aayog. Prime Minister can ask any minister to resign or to dismiss to or advise to dismiss him. Thank you.
Hello, I am Parliament. My article is 79. The Parliament of India consists President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. A new parliament is inaugurated on 23rd or 28th of May 2023 by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Parliament. It has two houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha is also known as lower house and Rajya Sabha it is also known as upper house. In Lok Sabha, there are total members 552, which are divided in three parts: 530 states, 20 union territories, and 2 are Anglo Indians. And in Rajya Sabha, there are total members 250, which are divided in two parts: 238 states and union territories, and 12 are nominated by the president. If you want to be a member of Lok Sabha, the age must be 25 years plus, and if you want to be a member of Rajya Sabha, the age must be 30 plus. Every 2 years, one third of members are retired. Uh, President, uh, the article of president is 52. He or she, uh, he or she want to become a president of India, he or she must be citizen of India. The age must be 35 years plus. He or she must be elected in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. He or she is also the supreme commander of the armed forces. He or she also appoints the chiefs of army, navy, and air force. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Article 155. As we know, I'm Article of Governor. The governor appointed by President advice on the council minister. The tenure of governor is 5 years. We know presently governor of Maharashtra is CP Radhakrishnan. Thank you.
Hi, I am Article 163 Chief Minister. Appointed by Governor, generally the majority party leader is appointed. Chief Minister is elected head or government of state. The Governor of normal executive authority and Chief Minister is real executive authority, but he has to get himself elected within 6 months, otherwise would have to be removed. The Chief Minister is resigns entire council of Chief Minister resigns. Thank you.
Hi, I am Article 170. Legislative Assembly. Legislative Assembly if can be dissolved before come to elections. If its term can be extended by 1 year during national emergency. The members of Legislative Assembly are elected directly by the people from the theoretical constitution. Thank you.
Hi, I am Article 343. This article is related to official languages. In this, Hindi is written in Devanagari script is to be the official language of the Union. In 1955, in 1955, this in 1955, the president appointed official language under the chairmanship of B.G. Kher. Originally, there were 14 languages in 8 schedule. 8 were added after the 8 were added later on by the amendments. Today there are 22 languages that are Tamil, Bengali, Sanskrit, Hindi, Marathi, and many more. Thank you.
Hello, I am emergency, which is divided into the three articles. First, national emergency, Article 352. Second, constitutional emergency, Article 356. And third, economical emergency, Article 360. First, Article 352, national emergency. An emergency due to the war, external aggression, or armed rebellion is known as the national emergency. Second, Article 356, constitutional emergency. If the president is saturated that a situation has arisen due to in which the government of the state can be carried in the accordance with the provision of the constitution. Third, economical emergency, Article 360. If the president is satisfied that a situation due to which the financial stability of the India. National emergency was implemented twice in India, first on 1961 and second in 1972. Thank you.
Hello, I am Article 368, Constitutional Amendment. There are total 106 amendments. Amendment 42 is the powerful amendment. First Amendment is the powerful amendment. First Amendment is the House of the Constitution. The process of the bill passing. The bill is introduced neither in the House of the Parliament. The House is presents to the President who gives his assent to the bill. Thank you.
Hello, I am Article 370, and Article 370 is related to Jammu and Kashmir and their Special Status Act. According to this Article 370, many rules and regulations were made into the favor of Article 370, like no one can purchase land into the Jammu and Kashmir except the citizens of the Jammu and Kashmir. The Jammu and Kashmir government may have their own flag if they need, and these kinds of all rules and regulations were made into the favor of Jammu and Kashmir. But because of these rules, many and more problems were created into the India. So because of that problems, Indian Parliament decided to amend this article. So finally in 2019, this Article 370 has been amended successfully. Thank you.
Hello, I am Article 52, which is related to President. I am considered as the first citizen of India. I have the right to appoint the judges of Supreme Court and High Court and the governors of the state. I am also the chief commander of the Tri-Forces. My tenure is of 5 years. The first women president was Pratibha Patil and the present president is Draupadi Murmu. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Article 63. My article is occupies the second highest office in country. The president of chairman of Rajya Sabha is the president of, is the vice president. Hi, I'm Article 6. Has he has worked when the absence of president.
Hello, myself Article 124, which is related to Supreme Court. I was established on 26 January 1915 with the base of 1935 the Government of India Act. I has in New Delhi. I has in Chief Justice of India. In present, the Chief Justice is Sanjeev Khanna. The salary for Chief Justice of India is about 2,80,000, and for other judges there is for 2,50,000. There is one Chief Justice of India and 33 other judges, but in present there are 34 other judges. If you want to be an Chief Justice, he or she must be has an experience of 10 years as an advocate and 5 years as an uh, judge. He or she can be removed by the joint session of President of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha with two-thirds of the majority. The main function of the Chief Justice is that he can help the President in case of rules and related with laws. He gives the judgment between central and state government fight. Thank you.